Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. CEO and founder of Harmony Entertainment Limited, Ho Chi Minh Castillo Rolfort, is threatening to take legal action against those who continue to spread false information against his company. The entertainment group CEO called a press briefing over the weekend in an effort to stave off comments that the company is employing too many overseas entertainers and not enough local acts. He says those comments aren't true.
We are in a democratic world where every single person has the chance to grow. Last year in October, we have a meeting with the tourist board where we was congrats for the work that we are doing. Now, we cannot allow people outside there to tell the Harmony is stealing, is doing things, is underpaid people. That is not true.
He argues that permits are only given to overseas entertainers when the company is unable to source those acts locally.
If somebody Harmony has today under one work permit, is because we cannot provide it here. As hotels buy meat for overseas because local meat supplier cannot give them.
The Harmony Entertainment CEO and founder says he's now considering legal action.
First things I'm gonna do after I finish this press conference is sue any person that tried to put down Harmony name. We sacrificed for the last 9 years. We suffered. I be threatening, my family be threatening, we be threatening. They say, oh, we're gonna blow those buses with bomb. They don't think artists are going inside there. They call Cubans. They don't say artists. They've been racist. That's not right.
The price of oil closed higher today. Oil for delivery in June sold for $71.16 a barrel. The price is up 20 cents. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $125.94. The Canadian went for $99, while the pound sold for $170.01. The euro went for $149.86. The JSE index lost over 1,159 points, while the junior market index lost 8 points today. Among the winners today were Proven Investments, Palace Amusement Company, Caribbean Cement Company, Salada Foods, Barita Investments, Access Financial Services, and CAC 2000. On the losing side were Caribbean Producers, Lasco Distributors, Scotia Group Jamaica, Knutsford Express Services, Victoria Mutual Investments, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.